Ken Moore portable washing machine. Oh, it's full.
Yeah, see, I was trying to use it the other day.
Eater. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Has 8 screws holding on the inside of the door. Stainless steel sprayer. And we're missing a sprayer here. Yes. So, that spray head's pretty important back there. You know, the way it is right now, that water would just pour out of that hole back there. So it still cleans, huh?
Yeah.
Must be the hot water action. It's actually in pretty good freaking shape. Alright, so I gotta get the serial number. And we're back. Oh. Okay, so I gotta figure out what the model manufacturer number is. And I can't do it like this. Let's see, we got 665.1782930. The serial number is FP Frigidaire, I think. 2441515. Alright, so let me see if we can get some parts for this thing. And apparently we're going to need the fitting to go on the faucet. So you push this over towards your sink. It's on. Here's the wheels. Right there. And then the hose comes out of the back. And it connects to a fitting on the sink, which we don't have. We don't have the spray head that was taken out. That would have been nice. Yes, very nice. Okay, the dishwasher here at Oakley is a Whirlpool. And for the upper spray arm assembly, you gotta order the whole rack. $145. $145. Man, too bad I couldn't find a junk one on the side of the road. Maybe steal some parts from it. I'm gonna have to marinate over that one. I don't know if I want to shuck that out just yet. But $145 is a lot less than a cost of a new portable dishwasher. I had a so that's where I'm at. It's a sunny day outside. Still kind of cold, deceptively cold. I think I might hit the road pretty soon.